By request, my beautiful stepdaughter reached out to me and asked me if I could help her fix her posture. My stepdaughter has always been relatively tall. Even as an adult now, I think she's somewhere between 5'10" and 5'11". But as she was growing up, she was usually the tallest in her group. So she spent a lot of her time hunching over so she could hear her friends and interact with her friends and fit into photos and things like that. But now she's starting to feel the effects of having that sort of slouchy posture, and she reached out to me for help. So here's the video for her, and I hope that you benefit as well. So just kind of quick, I'll explain what we're trying to do here. I'll turn sideways that you can see. Now, when we slouch, we get this sort of hunched over position. So usually what happens is the muscles in the back of the body, for lack of a better word, they shut down. They become long and inactive and weak. And then the muscles in the front, they tend to get short, inactive, and tight. So the goal is to just bring symmetry where we're just basically upright. So the way we do that is by using activation techniques to get the back side of the body to tone and strengthen. Okay? So first things first, let me just stay sideways here. So first things first, we just want to try to open the rib cage a little bit. Try to think with the back side of your body. We're going to go 5-second contractions, 5 at a time. Okay? So sit up any way you can to the best of your ability. I have my hands on my knees here. I'm going to use the back muscles, the back side of my body, those muscles, and lift my chest. So here we go. We inhale, lift the chest, squeeze the shoulders down, squeeze the shoulder blades together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Do it 4 more times. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Almost there. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to lift your chest up. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we try to keep the skull neutral. 5th and final. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release. Okay, good. By getting the rib cage to move, it sets the platform so we can get into our shoulders and we can start getting into the back muscles. Now, we're going to lie down to the best of our ability, and I'm going to rest my forehead on my yoga mat here. Arms overhead, thumbs up. We try to keep the body soft, arms straight. Can we lift our arms up off the ground? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower down. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower down. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. And then 5th and final. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. So we should start to feel the back side of the body starting to wake up and tone and strengthen these postural muscles. So we have a couple more of these and we're going to keep building. Okay? Second position, forehead on the ground. Arms are kind of in a W shape here. And we pull the shoulder blades down, lift the arms up off the ground, and pull the elbows towards our body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. We have our arms in a W. Pull the shoulders down, pull the elbows down, squeeze the shoulder blades together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Remember, we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades down and shoulder blades together. Here's number 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. And the 5th and final. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good. So we should start to feel the muscles on the back side of the body starting to work. This is what it takes to help improve our posture. We can't do things passively. We can't just stick a brace on our spine. We've got to use these muscles, wake them up, and they'll balance out the tight muscles in the front. Okay, next exercise. What we're going to try to do, keep your lower body on the ground, arms by your side, palms face down, and we lift the skull up off the ground. And see if we can lift the arms up off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Lift the skull off the ground, chest off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. I think we got one more. Lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. And just kind of wiggle around. We have one more exercise to do. And then we'll be done. Okay. This is the same thing, but we're going to add the legs if we can. So we have the forehead on the ground, arms on the ground. Squeeze your legs together. Can you lift your legs off the ground? Torso off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Legs off the ground, chest off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Legs off the ground, chest off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. I think we got two more. Legs off the ground, chest off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. 5th and final. Legs off the ground, chest off the ground, arms off the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. And gently come out of this any way you can. Try not to stretch. It's going to be almost an impulsive, involuntary reaction to stretch. Try not to. We've had enough stretching with all the slouching. Now we've got to do all of the toning. You can do this routine at least once a day, maybe twice a day. If you break up the routine, you can do it throughout the day. You don't have to lie down and do it all. Just whatever suits you, just make sure you get it done. And let me know if it helps. Let me know if you have questions. Go forth and be awesome. Thanks.